Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Charles Schwab step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Charles Schwab website. Log into your Charles Schwab account with your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the home page. Click on the Overview option under the Accounts tab. In the Account Overview, find and select the Budgeting and Planning section. You will see various tools and resources available for budgeting. Click on the Create a Budget button to start the budgeting process. Follow the prompts to enter your income sources. Input your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Next, add variable expenses, including groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Review the suggested budget categories provided by Schwab. Adjust the allocations as necessary to fit your personal financial situation. Once you've entered all your income and expenses, click Save to finalize your budget. Take advantage of Schwab's budget tracking tools to monitor your spending. Set alerts for when you approach your budget limits in various categories. At the end of each month, review your budget and adjust for any changes in income or expenses. Consider scheduling regular budgeting check-ins to stay on track. Utilize Schwab's educational resources to learn more about effective budgeting techniques. By consistently following these steps, you'll have a clearer understanding of your finances. This will ultimately help you achieve your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.